Welcome to Karpaga Vinayaga College of Engineering Technology, Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am going to explain about geometrical solids. Geometrical solids are classified into two types. One is the polyhedron solid, another is the solid of revolution. Let's start with the polyhedron solid. These are polyhedron solid. It has many phases. These phases can be called as planes. These polyhedron solids are different shapes. There are different shapes. One is a tetrahedron, another is cube, third one is prism, the last one is a pyramid. Let's start with the tetrahedron. Tetrahedron has one base and one vertex. In tetrahedron, all sides are equilateral triangle. Second one is a cube. The cube has six identical faces. All identical faces are square in cube. Similar for this prism, hexagonal prism. The prism are classified into various types according to the base. According to the base, the first one is the triangular prism, second one is the bias prism, third one is the pentagonal prism, finally the last one is the hexagonal prism, where it has same, base are same. Each prism has two base. Let's see the pyramid. It has one base and one vertex. See, the pyramid has one base and one vertex at the top. The base is a square, the vertex at the top. Similarly, the pyramid has different shape. That is a pentagonal pyramid. Third one is the hexagonal pyramid. Last one is the octagonal pyramid. Next, let's see about the solid of revolution. The solid of revolutions are classified into two. One is a cylinder, another one is a cone. This cylinder is represented by a rectangular faces. See the rectangular faces, the cylinders are represented by rectangular faces at the axis. This cone are represented by a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is represented using the cone. See the difference between the cylinder and the cone. Cylinder has rectangular face at one side. The cone is represented by a right angle triangle at one side through its axis that forms a cone. See how the cylinders are represented by rectangular faces. Similarly, for the cone, see the right angle triangle is represented by forming a cone.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.